Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today, for exam FM on financial mathematics. Determine an expression for a angle 5 over a angle 6, and there are five different expressions. A angle 2 plus a angle 3 over 2a angle 3, a angle 2 plus a s angle 3 over 1 plus a angle 3 plus s angle 2, a angle 2 plus s angle 3 over a angle 3 plus s angle 3, 1 plus a angle 2 plus s angle 2 divided by a angle 3 plus s angle 3, and the fifth one is 1 plus a angle 2 plus s angle 2 over 1 plus a angle 3 plus s angle 3. So in this solution, I will try to analyze all five answers, which is too much work. If you guess the right one, then you're done. And of course, when you have five answer choices to be analyzed, you never start with A, never start with E, always try to start with D, and then go to C. So, rational thing to do would be to try if D works and then see if C works. But let's see what happens here. So the first thing we notice that all answer choices are equal to the desired quantity for the interest rate of 0. That's always the first thing to try. If you can see immediately if it works for 0%, then you're done, but that's not the case here. So let's look at A. Both angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3 represent present value at time 0 of 5 payments of 1, but when compared with angle 5, the expression angle 2 plus angle 3 moves the last 3 payments 2 years from times 3, 4, 5 to times 1, 2, 3 towards time 0, while when compared with angle 6, the expression 2 angle 3, which is angle 3 plus angle 3, moves the last 3 payments 3 years towards time 0, so that in the fraction angle 2 plus angle 3 over 2 angle 3 in comparison with the fraction angle 5 or angle 6, the denominator increases more than the numerator, so that angle 2 plus angle 3 divided by 2 angle 3 is less than angle 5 over angle 6 for any positive interest rate. So for example, for 10%, I just did the calculation to show you. But you don't really have to do the calculation. You can just see this from the logic of this reasoning that the left-hand side is less than the right-hand side, and A is incorrect. The left-hand side of the inequality that I'm showing you. For B, note that angle 6 times 1 plus I cubed values the 6 payments in angle 6 at time t equal to 3 instead of t equal to 0, and can be written as angle 6 times 1 plus I to the third is the same as angle 3 plus s double dot angle 2 plus 1, where angle 3 is the present value of payments at times 4, 5, 6, while s double dot angle 2 is the value of time 3 of payments at times 1, 2, and 1 is the value of the payment at time 3. But angle 5 times 1 plus I cubed equals angle 2 plus s angle 3, as this approach values the 5 payments at time 3 by adding the value of payments from times t equal to 4, 5 and from times t equal to 1, 2, 3. So the angle 5 divided by angle 6, which we can write as a angle 5 times 1 plus I cubed over a angle 6 times 1 plus I cubed. So then it becomes angle 2 plus s angle 3 over a angle 3 plus s double dot angle 2 plus 1. That's less than a angle 2 plus s angle 3 over a angle 3 plus s angle 2 plus 1. Because for any positive interest rate, s double dot angle 2 is more than s angle 2. So that B is not true. However, for C, let us note that if we multiply A angle 6 by 1 plus I cubed, and that's equal to A angle 3 plus S angle 3, because six payments, now valued at time 3, and there are 3 of them from the past and accumulated to time 3, and 3 of them in the future. So that's why it's A angle 3 plus S angle 3. And similarly, A angle 5, 1 times 1 plus I cubed, so it moves the valuation to time 3. That's equal to A angle 2 plus S angle 3, 3 payments from the past accumulated by S angle 3, and 2 from the future discounted to time 3. And therefore, if you take the ratio of A angle 5 over A angle 6, that's the same as ratio of both of them multiplied by 1 plus I cubed. The ratio is unchanged by that. And that must be then equal to A angle 2 plus S angle 3 divided by A angle 3 plus S angle 3. And answer C is true. Now that we know this, we don't really have to do the remaining two, but for D, note that for any positive interest rate, S angle 3 is 1 plus I squared plus 1 plus I plus 1. And that's greater than 1 plus I plus 1 plus 1, which is S angle 2 plus 1. So that answer D, 1 plus A angle 2 plus S angle 2 divided by A angle 3 plus S angle 3 is smaller than answer C, A angle 2 plus S angle 3 over A angle 3 plus S angle 3, and D is therefore incorrect because we know that C is correct. Finally, for E, S angle 3 is 1 plus I squared plus 1 plus I plus 1. And that's greater than 1 plus I plus 1 plus 1, which is S angle 2 plus 1. So that the numerator in E is smaller than the numerator in C, while the denominator in E is clearly larger than the denominator in C. This makes E smaller than the correct answer C, so that E is not true. So answer C is correct. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.